Where there is new wine, there is new power. Hey friends, this song is New Wine in the key of C, and I hope you love this simplified version on how to chord along and play along as well. So make sure to stop the video. If you do click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense. All right, so let's find the 5 chords. We have C, F, G, and then we have A minor. I apologize, 4 chords. All right, so let's look for this C note. Look for this group of 2 black notes, and you will play every other note. And we have C, E, G, making up that C major chord. All right, so if you freeze this shape in your hand, come down here to this group of 3 black notes. The F is to the left of those. Play F, A, C. That's our F major chord. And then the next 2 are pretty easy. You just move up 1 set of notes. G, B, D is our G major chord. And then move up 1 set of notes again. And we have A minor, A, C, E. All right, so let's just review. They have C chord, F, G, and A minor. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes. We're going to keep it super simple. So when we play a C chord up here, we're just going to play a single C note. Okay, C to C. F to F, G to G, single notes in the bass, and then A minor to A in the bass. Okay, so I would recommend just kind of camping out here with thumb on C, leaving this hand here the whole song and playing those 4 notes when you need them without moving your hand out of position. That keeps, at least when this hand's moving all over the place, this hand can kind of stay still. All right, so I'm going to sing through and play through verse 1, and then I'm going to break down the rhythm after that. All right, here you go. In the crushing, in the pressing, you are making new wine. In the soil I now surrender, you are breaking new wine. All right, that last word was ground instead of wine. I apologize. All right, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is very simple. We're doing this rhythm I call 1-to-2 ratio, together, right. So all we're doing is together, then just the right hand. Together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on any of those chords, just getting your hand used to playing that nice marching rhythm. It's just a good foundation to play any song, really, okay? All right, so let's start out with verse 1 together. I encourage you to just play right hand only maybe, and then the left hand together with the right, and just see how that helps bring the 2 hands together more slowly. Okay, so we're gonna start out with that C chord. In the crushing, move to the F chord. In the pressing, A minor. You are making F, new wine, C. C again. In the soil I, F. Now surrender, A minor. You are breaking F, new ground, C. Okay. All right, so let me talk about patterns, because once you notice repetition in your music, it helps simplify things a lot. So look at lines 1 and 2. They are the same as lines 3 and 4, right? So lines 1 and 3 are the same. Lines 2 and 4 are the same, okay? C, F, A minor, F. C, F, A minor, F, okay? All right, let's look at that pre-chorus. We're going back to the F here, and this has the same chord progression as well. F, A minor, G, then they tuck in that C, F, A minor, G, okay? So it goes like this. So I yield to you and A minor, to your careful G, and then this C kind of goes quickly. C, when I trust you, I don't, A minor, need to under G, stand. Okay. All right, let's look at that chorus. So make me a vessel, F. Make me an offering, A minor. have that G that's kind of like a transition chord that can move you back into, see, it can go G and then C. In the crushing, F. In the pressing, A minor, and so on. So verse 1A and 1B are the same. Okay, so there's nothing new there. Let's go over to that little bridge over there where it goes, because where there is new wine. Okay, starts out with that C chord. So it looks like there's a lot of repetition for the most part in this too. C, F, A minor, G, C, F, A minor, C. So there's, and then C, F, A minor, G again. Okay. All right, let's do this. Cause where there is F, new wine, there is new A minor, power, G, there is new F, freedom, and the King, A minor, kingdom is here. C, I lay down my F, old flames, to carry your A minor, new G, fire today. And that last line, they just kind of go down to that stair step, new fire today, A minor, G, F, stair step. There's a little syncopation on this bridge that's a little hard to grasp by simplifying it. So in my final playthrough, I'll probably play it more syncopated, but for the most part, you can try to just do this together, right, together, right. Sometimes there's times where you quickly go from one chord to the other where you don't have time to pick up, this together, right. You might have to go dum, bum, like chord change, chord change. But for the most part, I think you could just kind of work your way through it. Because where there is new wine, that's kind of where I go chord to chord. There is new power. There is new freedom. See where I'm going? Bum, ba-dum. Or you could go, there is new freedom. You could kind of delay your words a little bit. I don't know if that helps. But for the most part, you can kind of go bum, bum, chord, chord on that C to the F. So I don't know if that helps. That's the only part of this song that's a little bit trickier in my opinion. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning and kind of work through verse, then the pre-chorus, then the chorus. Okay, notice patterns in each section. So the pre-chorus kind of has some repetition, verses have some repetition, as well as the chorus. The bridge is a little bit different. All right, and the intro just kind of works through that C, F, A minor, F, C, and then you can kind of come in that first verse. All right, here you go. In the crushing, in the pressing, you are making new wine. In the soil I now surrender, you are breaking new wine. So I yield to you and to your careful hand. When I trust you, I don't need to understand. So make me a vessel and make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. God, I came here with nothing but all you have given me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. In the crushing, in the pressing, you are making new wine. In the soil I now surrender, you are breaking